Good morning, students. This is Virendra, your computer science teacher, and I hope you are doing well during this time. Right now, you are staying at your home, do your hard work to get success in your life. And one more thing, I just want to highlight here that on 15th of December, you are having your test too. And whatever the syllabus for that, whatever the contents you have to prepare for this, I have already shared with you. So I request you, don't waste any of the time. Okay, please don't waste any of the time. You have to use your time in a precious manner, and if you have any kind of doubt during this study, then please contact your subject teacher. Or you can also come to the school to contact with your subject teacher. So with this wish, now I am going to start this session by giving a warm welcome to all of my students, my dear viewers and all my participants. Now students, in today's session, what we have to study here? These are the topics which we are going to study. Number one, we will have a little bit of introduction that what we have studied in the previous videos and what kind of valuable comments we have given. Next topic is how to add or remove a workbook. Next, saving a workbook. These are the topics we are going to cover in this video. And students, as you know that this is your revision session is going on, and this is the lecture number 68. And apart, if you talk about this chapter, in this chapter right now we are having the part 3. Means for this chapter I have already made 2 videos for that, and this is the video number 3. But overall, this is the video number 16. Now, today, as you know that the Microsoft Excel 2010, this is the chapter we have to already have in the revision. So students, in the previous videos, what we have studied? Likewise, I have given the basics of the Microsoft Excel, number 1. Number 2, I have given the details about how to perform the calculation in a worksheet. And apart from this, what are the differences between workbook and worksheet, I have already given. Now, apart from this, what is auto sum, what is fill handle, what is autofill. Okay, these are the topics I have already explained in the previous videos. Now students, without wasting any of the time, now I am going to start the today's videos. Now, in today's video, first we have to understand how to add the workbook, and then after we will understand how to remove the workbook from the MSX. Right? So let's draw a one figure for you, and then I will try to give you the demonstration for the same. But students, one more thing. If you want the practical demonstration for the same, yes, practical demonstration, you have to watch the previous videos. In the previous video, I have already given the practical, means how to perform the actions, what are the new topics given in the book. Right? So in today's topic, first I will demonstrate means one kind of virtual demonstration, like by using some of the block diagrams. Okay, so suppose, first of all, let me write the topic, what topic we are going to study here. Right now, this is topic number 2, adding a workbook. Adding a workbook. Right? So let's have, suppose this is your Excel sheet, right? This is one Excel sheet, right? This is the one kind of Excel sheet, and in this Excel sheet, at the top, you will have book1 dot xlsx. Book1 dot x. This is the by default name of your workbook, right? Because once it is saved, then whatever the name you are giving to this file, it will be there, right? So right now we are talking about how to add a new file, how to add a new workbook. So whatever the things, suppose at the bottom side, see on this, at the bottom side, you will have sheet tab. You will have, what is this? This is one kind of sheet tab, right? In this sheet tab, what you do? This is sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3, and here some of the buttons are there. Some of the buttons are there. Which kind of button? Suppose you want to you want just previous Excel sheet, you want the next Excel sheet, you want to forward it, you want to previous it. So some kind of buttons are already available here. Okay, and in your workbook, by default, only 3 sheets are there, 3 worksheets are there, and the name of that sheets are sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, right? So for adding the method is, what we have to do? First of all, suppose you want the sheet after the sheet 1. Yes, after the sheet 1. So what you do? Click one time. Suppose this is your mouse pointer. This is your mouse pointer, right? And in this mouse pointer, okay, once it is selected, this sheet 1 is selected. What you will do? Just make a right click. Just make a right click. And after making the right click, okay, after making the right click, you will have one option: insert sheet. Okay, after making a right click, okay, what option you have to choose? Insert sheet. Okay, now once it is selected, what is happening here? Once it is selected, what is happening? You will have one dialog box, and you can say this is insert dialog box. You will have insert dialog box, right? And what is the purpose of this dialog box? What is the purpose of that? It will give you one option. The name of that option is worksheet. The name of that option is worksheet, right? Let me repeat one more time. Let me repeat. Number 1, select any of the sheet where you want a new worksheet. This is step number 1. Step number 2, make a right click. Step number 3, once the right click is done, you will have one option, that is insert sheet. Now, once you click the insert sheet, you will have insert dialog box. Now, step number 4. In 4th step, you have to choose worksheet. And finally, once it is done, click on OK. Once it is done, click on OK. Now, after doing this, the new worksheet is added after the sheet 1. Clear? I hope you are able to understand. And one more thing, and I'm damn sure that you are also enjoying this class, imitate this class. Okay? Students, right now this is the whole process of adding a new worksheet. And now I am going to give you the method number 2 for adding the workbook. Yes, method number 2. Right now I am just writing here method number 1. This is the method number 1. Let's come to the on the right side to demonstrate about method number 2. Method number 2. On the method number 2, what you have to understand about, what is the shortcut way to add a new file? Suppose this is your sheet number 2. You have to select it. After selection, what you have to do? You need to find out where the sheet button is there. Yes, sheet button. It will be observed on this place. On this place. This here you will get one sheet button. One sheet button. Right? Once you will make a single click. Once you will have a single click. It will immediately add it. It will immediately add it at this place. Means after sheet 3, sheet 4 will be appear. I think this is the method through which you can add your worksheet in an easy way. Right? So this is the method number, and please remember this button. This button is located at the bottom side of the workbook, okay, and it is highlighted here on this piece, right, after the sheet number 3. Now, once the sheet tab is selected, you have clicked it, only one more sheet number 4 is appeared, right, here, on this page you will have sheet number 4. Okay, students. So now these are the two methods. Now I am just going to give you the shortcut method. One more shortcut method. Now I am going to tell you method number 3. Method number 3. And now I will give you one shortcut key. One shortcut key through which you are able to enter the worksheet tag thing. And the shortcut key is shift plus F11. Please remember shift plus F11 is the key through which you are directly enter your worksheet. It's clear? Now, so I hope you students you are able to understand each and everything. Okay. Now it's time to understand how to remove your worksheet. So now I am going to erase the code and then we proceed. So students, whatever the queries you have, you can give your queries by using the YouTube as well as WhatsApp. And you can directly make a call to me. I have already displayed your number and whatever the things you have already done, that will be also informed to me continuously. Okay, so nothing to worry about your doubts. I am always here to give you supports. Right? So now it's time to understand removing a workbook. Removing a workbook. Right? So that's very simple for you. Very simple process for you. You can use this by using your keyboard as well as mouse also. There is 2 ways, right? Let's demonstrate about by using mouse. By using a mouse, how we are going to remove it? By using your mouse. Now, second thing, by using a keyboard. By using a keyboard. How you are using a keyboard to remove your workbook from the Excel sheet? Now, for this, let's demonstrate about your mouse. First of all, select the sheet. You already know that sheet number 1. After that, sheet number 2. Then after, you will have sheet number 3. Suppose you want to delete this sheet number 3. Okay, you want to delete sheet number 3. Now for deleting it, first you select it. So first step is selection of sheet. Once it is selected, then what you have to do? Make a right click. Make a right click. Then choose option. Which option you have to choose? Delete. You will get either delete or remove. Out of these two, you will have two things, right? Maybe you will get delete option or maybe you will get remove option, whatever the option. Now, once these are the steps we have done, immediately your workbook will be removed. Workbook will be removed. Okay? So let me repeat one more time. First, sheet number 1 need to be selected. After that, make a right click. Then after, you have to choose the delete option or remove option. And finally, once you click on that, your this sheet will be removed. Let's come to the next step or next method by using your keyboard. So what you do here, just assume that your sheet is already selected. Selection of sheet. That's mandatory for you. Now once the sheet is selected, press delete key. Press delete key from keyboard. Okay, selection of sheet is done. Now immediately what you have to do, just press the delete button. Okay, once the delete button is pressed, your sheet will be removed. Finally, your sheet will be removed. Sheet will be removed. So I think these are the two methods, and that is very easy process for you. And that easy process will help you to remove the particular sheet. Right? Now, this is the overall process of adding and removing worksheet. Now, next topic is saving a workbook. Okay? So now I am going to erase it and then we will proceed further. So students, I hope you are enjoying it. So if you like this video, please share this video to your friends also. And don't forget to press the bell icon, because if you press the bell icon, you will surely receive the notification of my latest videos. Okay? So students, right now it's time to start a new topic, that is saving a workbook. Right? That can also be done with the use of mouse. Yes, by using a mouse, and second one by using a keyboard. Okay, by using the keyboard. So right now various methods are there. Various. Okay, let's discuss about method number 1. First, I am going to discuss about method number 1. So in this method, first of all, go to the title bar, and go to the left side of the title bar. You will receive one quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. In this toolbar, save button is available. Save button is already available. Okay, so what you need to do? Click on save button. Immediately you will have save as dialog box, and here what you need to do, just browse the location means where you want to save. You have to secure give the specific location to save your file. And after browsing the location, type the name of the file. Type the name of file. And finally, what you need to do? Finally, just press the save button. Just press the save button. Okay. So by using UK's toolbar, you can use it. Now, second method is by using the file tab in 2010. Okay. In 2010, Office button is not available. Office button is not available. Instead of Office button, file tab is available. File tab. This is available. So once you click on file tab, the option is there, save option. You will have save option. Now after clicking on save option, you will have this step, save as dialog box. Thereafter, what you need to do? Browse the location and immediately type the name and click on save button. So only one change is written there, this one, file tab. And if you want to save the particular file by using the keyboard, then what you need to do? First of all, you need to press this key, Ctrl plus S. Okay? Or one more thing, F12. If you want to use the function key, so either out of these two, you can use it. And once it is done, you will get save as dialog box. And here, what you need to do? Only you need to perform two things. Number one, browse the location and type the name of your file. And once it is done, click on save button. Right? So by using the keyboard, this is the method you need to perform. Right? Now it's time to discuss one more thing. And that's a very, very important thing. Okay? We have to understand a very, very important thing. The question is, one question I am going to ask here. The question is difference between save and save. This is the question, right? I am here to watch your comments. Immediately type the answer, okay? And whatever the accuracy level is there, I am here to monitor it. Okay? You can also give the answer by using the WhatsApp. Okay? It's clear now? Now, let's give the answer. What the difference is there? Suppose you are just trying to save your file. So there are several methods are already there. To perform the save option. But suppose any of your friend is asking about the same file. So it's nothing to worry about it. Just click one more time on the file tab. Here now it's time to select save as option. Then immediately the save as window, means save as dialog box will be open. And once the dialog box is open, immediately browse the location, type the name and finally click on save. Means whatever the contents are there, you are just giving a different name with the same content. And after giving it, you can share the file to any of your friends or any of your colleagues. Right? So what is the difference you have understand here? The difference is, for saving process, you need to follow the each and every step what I already delivered to you. But for saving the content with a different name, you need to use the save as. This is the major difference. Okay, and try to memorize these two shortcut keys. Maybe it will come in your exams also, right? So right now this is all about your saying a word. Now it's time to proceed our next one. So let's erase the board and then we will proceed. So students, I hope you are enjoying this video. But students, whatever the valuable feedback, that's very important for you, for me, because that feedback give you a one kind of motivation, a one kind of chance to make a correction, right? So don't forget to give your valuable feedback, okay? And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay students, because once you subscribe it, whatever the latest videos I have uploaded on the YouTube, you will have the information about the same. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, notify it, okay, and whatever the valuable feedbacks, I am here to give you the related records. Right? Now, let's erase the board, and after that we will proceed for the next step. So students, I hope each and everything is very much clear to you. Whatever the queries you have, whatever the questions you have, you can call me, WhatsApp me, YouTube, make a YouTube comment. Okay, I am always here. But right now it's time to end this video, it's time to finish this video, and you have shown a very good patience here. Okay, so you have watched this video from starting till the last. So I just want to give you a big thank you to you. I just want to give you a big thank you. The reason behind it, because every view of yours is give up one kind of motivation to you, and that motivation will upgrade me, one kind of enhancement for me, right? So once again, I just want to give you a thanks a lot for you.